Here's a look at the November issue of Pumper magazine. We are deeply saddened to announce that Cole Publishing co-founder Bob Kendall passed away on October 4th at age 70. A visionary behind Pumper magazine and The Wet Show, Kendall helped build the modern wastewater industry as we know it and created a community where none existed. Thanks for everything, Bob. We will miss you. In Georgia, when you see a shiny blue truck roll up, you know the prices are on the job. 3 generations later, they're still pumping tanks, cleaning grease traps, and proving that good equipment and straight talk never go out of style. Army veteran Keith Jordan survived a near-fatal staph infection, but the bills forced him into bankruptcy. But shutting down his construction business didn't mean he was cooked. Read how he overcame massive challenges to build Dirty Deeds into a 3-truck, 8-person septic powerhouse. Guesswork doesn't cut it when you're dealing with wastewater. Here's how measuring real flow data can help you size systems correctly, prevent backups, and prove your work with numbers, not luck. One person hears ASAP, another hears next week. Sound familiar? When directions get fuzzy, so does the work. Learn a few easy ways to make sure everyone's speaking the same language on the job. New York's 5th round of funding is here, Iowa's rules just changed, and Florida's moratorium could shake up jobs. In Texas, a lot of folks don't know what's under their lawn, and that's a problem. Father and son team Carl and John Doderive of Bosco Industries are pushing to educate homeowners and give installers more say in how systems get designed. This isn't just a pump truck, it's a rolling command center. Chuck Starr III's 4,000-gallon Peterbilt blends muscle, tech, and style in one unforgettable rig, the classy truck of November. Fats, oils, and grease are no match for these industrial-strength solutions. Get the lowdown on what really keeps kitchens flowing and septic systems running. Grease traps giving you grief? This Caribbean resort had the same problem until a few small modules changed everything. Tired of going back and forth to the dump? Meet the HXX Quint. Big water, big vacuum, 0 wasted trips. Looking to expand your fleet? Now's a great time. Find what you need in the classifieds. All this and much more in the latest issue of Pumper magazine, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching and thank you for reading Pumper. See you next month.